as a whole, it's a great system, start to finish. Just runs and puts packages out the door, which from the operation standpoint is what I like to see.
I'd recommend Delkor as a partner. They really are a partner. We needed to have this project up and running in 10 days. We wanted somebody to handle it from start to finish, somebody that we could trust would get it done. Our private equity partners, one of the things they said was this was one of the smoothest installs we ever went through. We went from our hand-packed line to the fully automated line in about a week. Not at 50% capacity, but at full capacity within 10 days. That really speaks to the quality of the equipment that came in. And with that, we moved from 12 people in that packaging down to 2 or 3. And so just a huge savings to the labor side of that part of the operation.
It's a great system to watch run. I joke with my team as we walk through the plant. I don't know that I could do the job of monitoring those Delkor machines because that team tends to spend a lot of time just watching packages go by, which it's great from an efficiency standpoint, but to me it's got to be one of the most boring jobs that we have in the plant.
One of the challenges that we had in designing this was our products come out of a spiral chiller, but because of the way they get loaded in the spiral chiller, they aren't necessarily consistent in orientation. So with this V-loader, we're able to pick up that tray or that bag, turn it so that it can handle whatever orientation it comes out, and then place it in the correct format for the case packing. It was a really easy way for us to handle the variations that come out of the upstream processes.
We do have the V-loader that's going to align the packages going into the LSP case packer. We also have the case sealer and case former, and along with the robotic palletizing.
Overall, the system's been running really well. Optimize our space, the flexibility of what it needed to do, and the efficiency of eliminating the labor piece of it. It just runs.
That entire process start to finish, not so much just the Delkor, it's 8 people start to finish. The sheer volume that we put through that system, it's impressive. We are able to run about that 25 million pounds annually with 24 people across 3 shifts.
We have a lot of changeovers. We wanted the ability to go from one to the next very quickly, even multiple times a day. We'll sometimes go from a 2-pound bag to a 5-pound bag because we have customer orders that need to go out the door.
The ability to change that line over in a fairly rapid amount of time is key to the success of the line. And the Delkor line doesn't ever hold us up from a changeover standpoint. The system overall has been extremely reliable. It's getting the job done for what we need. Overall, I think Delkor has been a strong partner. They've been extremely responsive. They've shown up when we needed them to, when we had some issues that we couldn't get addressed ourselves. So they've definitely been a trusted partner to help us work through our issues and get us back going when we haven't been able to do it ourselves.